Don't laugh, guys, don't laugh. It's bad enough as it is with a tree giving me a hard time. But can you guys see the one and only Jaboticaba fruit on this tree? Well, I'm sure you can see it. It's right. Oh, it's right there. Can you believe it? One fruit for the whole year, for the whole season. Talk about a tease. What a tease. A 10-year-old tree giving me just one fruit. So to all you guys who have rushed out and bought your Jabos, just be aware. There's a chance you might have my experience, and hopefully not. Yeah, this tree is coming up to 10 years old. I think it's about 9. And yeah, it fruited for us a couple of years ago. I got about 20 fruit, which was exciting the first time. And last year it gave us 3 fruit or 4. And this year, 2021, I'm only gonna get one sole fruit, one single fruit, which is the worst thing. I'd rather get no fruit. I better get it before the birds get it. There's one bird that we have here, the wattle bird, and he eats them. Last year, as I said, we had about 3 or 4, and he had 3 or 4. So that's what they look like, guys. The good old Jaboticaba. It's like a grape. It's hanging off here from the side. Don't know what's happening with the focus on this camera lately. It's been playing up. I think I need a new camera. Yep, something's not right. So anyway, let's take it off. Yep, one fruit. This is a small one. I've had bigger ones, but this is more on the smaller side. So that's the rear end, or the bottom. And have a taste test. Did you hear that crack? Wow. Wow. Delicious. Very juicy, refreshing. Like it was freezing today or overnight, so this is like a cold grape out of the refrigerator. Just imagine that. A cold, firm grape from the fridge. That's why it cracked. Seeds in there. One seed so far. Delicious. Very tasty, guys. Sweet. The seed is acidic, but the flesh isn't. The flesh is just sweet. Very good. The skin is almost the same as the grumi chama in taste. Similar to the grumi. So I'm gonna eat half of it. Let's have a look. No. Very astringent. Definitely a no-no. Whereas you can eat the grumi chama skin easily, not a problem. Yeah, there's a couple of flowers coming. Again, it does this all through spring and summer. and then they just drop. Or that darn wattle bird, he's a nectar sucker. He comes and sucks on the flower and knocks it off whilst he's fooling around with it. So the flowers don't last with that guy around. Couple of more flowers there. Couple of more flowers here. Yeah, here and there. It's about a dozen flowers around, but not really much going on for fruit's sake. Anyway, just a quick update, guys, because I know a lot of you are getting excited for your new trees, your new Jabo trees. Well, so am I, but still waiting for a good crop. Still waiting. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it, and we'll see you from the next video.